Good afternoon, everyone, on this absolutely beautiful sunny May afternoon. Welcome to TechEx, Spark Center's exclusive virtual event at which some of Eastern Ontario's most innovative tech companies will showcase their cutting-edge technology in the construction, infrastructure, and design space. We're thrilled to be putting this event on in partnership with CanBIM, IBI, Liuna, and AIO, along with two of our fellow regional innovation centers, Launch Lab and Venture 13. As a business incubator serving technology and innovation entrepreneurs, Spark Center is dedicated to economic growth and sustainability in Durham Region and the Eastern Ontario corridor. That said, TechEx was created by Spark Center as a way to introduce our clients to our industry partners, potential customers, and to our community at large. And thanks to our event partners, that community continues to grow. We're honored to be able to bring advanced technologies, entrepreneurs, and industry leaders together tonight for an evening of inspiration, collaboration, and connection. TechEx aims to highlight all that these ingenious companies have accomplished, as well as showcase how their leading-edge technologies can benefit your business and the economic recovery of Durham Region and Eastern Ontario. This incredible event also offers a fantastic opportunity to meet and begin relationships with these innovative entrepreneurs through learning about their products and services, sharing your corporate needs, and exploring how these entrepreneurs can assist. In addition, we hope you will provide them with your own invaluable industry experience and connect them to others in your network who can assist in furthering their success. It takes a community to support an entrepreneur, and now more than ever, it is imperative that we support our innovators on their road to success. Tonight, we are thrilled to have Rosemarie Lipman of EllisDon at TechEx, and she will speak to you all shortly. But first, I'd like to welcome our incredible startups to the stage to introduce themselves, with Acreage Way kicking things off. Thank you for joining us at TechEx, and I hope you enjoy the evening ahead.
Hi, I'm Fabrícia Monteiro from Acreage Way. We are here to help lower the barrier to people investing in real estate, and also to provide a new way for real estate players raise funds. In a nutshell, our technology deploys a robust blockchain system that digitalizes the whole real estate property and then break it down into small pieces, allow you to choose how much to invest and when to invest. No bank funds or credit record needed. Easy, affordable, and accessible. Would you like to know more? Please come visit us at Acreage Way booth.
My name is Bolas Ibrahim, and I'm a co-founder and CEO at Argentum Electronics, where we are revolutionizing the way power is distributed and managed in buildings. We solve the problem of energy waste in buildings caused by inefficient power conversion of alternating current or AC power in our walls to direct current or DC power, which all of our 21st century digital devices, LED lighting, and modern air handling systems use. All of this waste is costing you money. A typical LED system on AC power loses about 20% of the electricity it converts for the lights into waste heat, literally costing your lighting system an extra 20% in operating costs. To solve this problem for our clients, we've developed a mixed high and low voltage DC power distribution system that dramatically saves on both installation and operating costs. If you have AC power running throughout your buildings, let's talk.
Would you drive over a bridge which is falling apart? Unfortunately, you do not have the choice. Steel reinforcement corrosion may cause a disaster. Billions of dollars are needed to repair the deteriorating bridge infrastructures. I am Dr. Bahira Abdel Salam. I founded CII Solutions, and we have the solution. We provide turnkey projects using non-corrosive, durable, lightweight composite products, which make more sense. Using our rebars, bridges, and seawalls developed in collaboration with advanced infrastructure technologies, we intend to change how things have been done in Canada and around the world.
It is the fact that Ontario alone has a planned building spend of over $10 billion annually. From real estate prices, it is clear that new building construction is not keeping up with demand. Hi, I'm Gary Rutledge, the president of Envision Integrated Building Technologies, a group of world-class project and engineering professionals that has significant experience with every building technology imaginable. We have introduced the innovative PACE building system, precast concrete component-based accelerated construction technology. This system will save over 25% on building time while saving costs and improving its safety and quality. We are seeking partners and clients to drive this building innovation forward.
Hi, my name is Milad Keshani, and I am the product manager at F''C. As you know, aging infrastructure has become a global challenge. In North America, the average rating of transportation infrastructure is C. Imagine what would be the consequences if a catastrophic failure happens at Gardiner Express or one of the older power stations. With clients in more than 30 countries, we at F''C design and develop the next generation of concrete inspection and testing solutions to help experts inspect facilities faster and with higher confidence. Please come and visit us in our booth.
Construction job sites require inspections to keep them safe and controlled and the business profitable. Hi, I am Joel from Kivara's Autonomous Services. We provide inspection robots that can monitor the usage of personal protective equipment, construction progress and quality, and other essential aspects of construction projects. Robots can reduce the cost of inspections and allow those to occur more often, thus increasing quality and helping supervisors capture issues earlier. Kivara's offers turnkey and pay-per-use services, no upfront investments, no complex projects. Partner with us in pilots of autonomous inspections and construction services. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nathan. I'm one of the co-founders of Mirror Technologies, and we're helping provide a transparent platform for commercial properties. Deployed in commercial buildings around the world, our IoT platform is helping buildings minimize their environmental impact, control their costs, and help the world return safely to public spaces at a time they need more than ever. We're providing a sophisticated analytics platform for commercial property managers and cleaners, providing data on the supply of washing consumables like soap, sanitizer, and tissues. We're providing concrete results time and time again, such as saving 30% of costs on both cleaning labor and supplies. And we're excited to partner with TechEx to help take our product to the next level in Ontario. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Joel Davies from Render Developments, the world-class 3D animation studio specializing in photorealistic rendered images, videos, and virtual walkthrough tours to help you sell in the pre-construction phase of real estate. Our clients were having issues selling their real estate developments because 90% of people cannot visualize what their home will look like based on floor plans. A recent client of ours used our video services for their real estate project, and they ended up selling 21 times as many units using Render Development's video services compared to a similar project not using our services. If you feel like your real estate marketing needs a boost, come on over to the Render Developments booth.
Hi there, my name is Griffin LeBlanc, and I'm here representing Stratify. Did you know that remotely managing your workforce is possible? Most construction companies are still using pen and paper to keep track of their worker activity. In fact, not using a workforce management platform is costing construction companies a lot of time and money. Stratify's platform solution automates your work reporting process, taking your quality assurance to a higher level. Customers of ours have seen increased service visibility and have eliminated the headaches of manual payroll and work reporting. Are you utilizing the benefits of a workforce management platform? If not, let's talk.
Hi, my name is Justin Argatu. I'm the Director of Sales for Swidget. We are a manufacturer of modular smart devices where we separate the power components from the control components, and we add various additional functionality to your typical smart device. To learn more about Swidget, come join us at our booth and we can show you our Toronto studio demo.
Awesome. Thank you so much to our companies. We're really looking forward to visiting you all at your booths, and that will be starting in about 15 minutes. Hey everyone, my name is Christina Savannah. I'm the Marketing Director at Spark Center. Welcome to TechEx. We're so excited to have you all here. Please, if you'll do me a favor, navigate over to your chat screen. We want to ask you a quick question. We have a poll for you. If you just click over on the right-hand side, under event, you'll see there's a poll section. We want to know which of these featured startups you're most excited to speak to this evening. So please let us know, pick the ones. I'm going to pick someone. Oh, there we go. Awesome. I am thrilled to welcome Rosemarie Lipman to the stage. Rosemarie is the Chief Information Officer and Senior Vice President of Digital and Data Engineering. What an incredible powerhouse woman this is. Rosemarie, over to you.
Hi, everyone. Hope you are keeping well. Thank you, Christina, and thank you to Spark Center and AIO for inviting me to open up TechEx. I'm very excited to do so. Everyone knows that construction is slow to digitize, that we have not made any significant productivity gains, and that we do not embrace change easily. I am not here to tell you the key to unlocking digital transformation, or when the robots will fully take over, or when the digital twin will dictate the physical reality. From what I can tell, this group is talented enough to figure out these issues all on their own. What I will do is take you through EllisDon's perspective on industry trends and how they have informed our tech and data strategy. So just bear with me, share my screen. I guess you could say that I have been immersed in the EllisDon perspective for the past decade in a variety of roles ranging from legal to people and culture, and now technology. The Digital and Data Engineering Division was established 3 years ago. It is a group that consists of IT ops, software engineering and DevOps, product and design, virtual design and construction, insight and analytics, and professional services. It is the team that I lead and that develops and drives EllisDon's tech and data strategy forward. Just going to go off video so everyone can see my slides. I want to start with a bit of background on EllisDon. The company was established 70 years ago, and we are Canada's largest buildings contractor with annual revenues of $5 billion. Over 15 years ago, EllisDon began participating in public-private partnership projects and was one of the first general contractors to assume a role in each of the equity, construction, and operational components of these projects. To date, we have reached financial close on 47 P3 projects, with 33 of these projects having reached substantial completion, and with 16 design, build, finance, maintain projects that are now into successful operations. Our success in the P3 sector gave rise to what we refer to as our cradle to grave services offering. These include client solutions offered throughout the conceptual, pre-construction, construction, and post-construction phases of a project. Today, this vertical integration is driven by technology innovation. Our energy and digital services team works with clients from the design phase through the operational phase to optimize the cost of their assets by implementing building systems integration, energy optimization, energy monitoring, and smart security surveillance. And recently we launched prefabrication and modular operation and external digital and data engineering services. So while many are familiar with EllisDon, the construction services provider, they are surprised to learn that we have been developing and implementing software for over 20 years. Our experience in this area began with the desire to really control our core processes and activities during the construction phase of a project. By developing our proprietary management platform called Gate 3, we are able to avoid adopting end-to-end third-party project management and financial management platforms, which would have required EllisDon to conform our workflows to these systems. We are also able to control our data and design integrations with third-party tools. Our product development team has grown to over 70 designers and software engineers and counting, and our scope has significantly expanded. We also develop deep expertise in virtual design and construction. This group was established 17 years ago and currently consists of 75 experts, both in the field and the office. In 2018, EllisDon invested in a startup that was developing a risk analytics model to support the general contractor's subcontractor pre-qualification process. We used 10 years of our pre-qualification expertise and data to optimize the model and support the development of the product. The platform is now being used by 20 general contractors across Canada and in the US, and is currently cash flow positive. And I know those are magical words. Our history with building and implementing software solutions has given rise to an internal mindset that self-performing technology is really part of EllisDon's DNA. While we collaborate with many external technology partners and startups, we do not believe in handing over our challenges for others to solve. We want to be an active partner in solving our industry problems. With that being said, I would like to turn to EllisDon's perspectives on some industry trends and tell you how these trends have informed our strategic priorities. One of the most significant challenges that this industry faces is fragmentation. A project is siloed into phases. There are many diverse stakeholders contributing to the development of the project during any given phase, and each of these stakeholders have their own, often disconnected processes. Construction tech has not surprisingly followed a similar path. There are many products created for specific stakeholders to digitize one or several of their processes that are not connected in any meaningful way. How to address the problem of industry and technology fragmentation became the starting point of our strategy, and clearly we are not alone in this pursuit. Over the past decade, as I'm sure you're all well aware of, investment in construction technology has more than doubled, with over $25 billion in investment between 2014 and 2019, which is great for this group. As a result, we have witnessed a sharp increase in product consolidation by large software firms acquiring startups with niche products. But from the GC perspective, there are still challenges with how to effectively make products work together and create a seamless experience for users. Understanding how a product fits into the overall workflow is essential. Adopting technology should not create more work for the end user. This is a common issue we encounter, and it makes obtaining buy-in from project teams very difficult and consistent adoption almost impossible. So we recognize that the ability to effectively integrate products and workflows are key to addressing fragmentation. A related trend is the demand for vertical integration and transparency, as well as collaboration across all phases of a project. Our clients already expect EllisDon to measure and maximize productivity. Now they are asking for increased collaboration and visibility across the value chain. With our cradle to grave services, EllisDon is in a position to offer this vertical integration, and we believe that technology is a critical part of this integration. We are developing client solutions that will help manage each project and their overall portfolio of projects with EllisDon over the entire life cycle. We want to partner with firms who can also see beyond measures of productivity and use technology to transform project delivery. Finally, one of the consequences of construction tech consolidation is that it brings the data of many into the hands of very few. General contractors have struggled to harness and utilize the data they create to drive insights for their own benefit and to benefit their clients on an enterprise level. We create large amounts of project data, but we are low in analytic maturity. However, I've noticed that this is changing. COVID has accelerated the pace of digitization in the industry and has really increased the value that the construction operation places on project data and the insights that can be derived from it, from understanding the implications of COVID-related impacts to managing supply chain risk. We believe that as experts in building and maintaining infrastructure projects, we need to be accountable for understanding the significance of the data we create and how to best leverage it for current and future projects. Our cradle to grave approach has always pushed EllisDon beyond traditional industry positions, and our tech and data strategy is no exception to this. We organize our strategy into 3 perspectives. Many software products aim to be everything to everyone. For some time, we were taking the same approach with our product strategy, assuming that what we developed would be suitable for our project teams, our clients, their consultants, and our subcontractors. What we did was stop trying to create a one-size-fits-all solution for industry stakeholders. Each stakeholder, our internal teams, our clients, and our subcontractors have different requirements. And it's not about one process for all. It's about using technology that allows for collaboration between the different parties and the integration of their processes. Internally, we organized our tech priorities into 3 pillars. Support, which includes operational support and security for over 160 project sites and offices, as well as the development of our data foundations. Evolve, which encompasses initiatives that enable the business units to leverage technology to improve current processes and break down silos. The focus is on the selection, adoption, and implementation of new technologies. For example, we are currently standing up our smart plant with our modular group. This includes several IoT and automated data capture initiatives. A key team that is involved in this part of our strategy is our tech solutions or professional services team. Their scope includes understanding the operations requirements and identifying products that would be best suited for the operation to adopt. The team also works with startups to develop pilot programs with projects or sectors of the business that could best leverage their technology. They then manage the implementation and onboarding of all technology products. From EllisDon's perspective, the advantage of having a centralized team is that we are able to select and implement software at an enterprise level in a consistent way and use complementary technology. From the perspective of our technology partners, the advantage to this approach is that they are able to rapidly scale with a large general contractor and have access to an internal team that will support the usage of their product. For example, we have deployed several platforms on projects, the use of which is extended to our subcontractors and consultants. We use FieldWire to help manage deficiencies and have also implemented BIM software, Revisto, to help manage VDC collaboration on site. FieldWire has seen an increase of 333% in users on EllisDon projects over the past 3 years. It's gone from 3,000 to 13,000 users. And Revisto has seen a 500% increase in users on EllisDon projects over the past year. We have identified over 16,000 issues across 28 projects using this tool. The third pillar, Extend, includes the pursuit of tech innovation projects, pilots, and investments, as well as the development of external services and products. The starting point of our client focus is to leverage technology to enhance the relationships of trust that we build with our clients. To this end, we have developed design workshops that we host jointly with our operations teams to develop insight into the desired process workflows of our clients. We are then able to tailor solutions and develop on top of our proprietary project management software to deliver insights transparently and in real time. These custom workflows can be applied across a client's entire EllisDon portfolio of projects. And we work with the project teams to train and implement best practices on document control and financial data in our project management platform, as well as any third-party platforms that we use. In addition to project insights derived from our project management platforms, we believe that the model should be at the center of every phase of a project. We've developed virtual design and construction services that support both internal project teams as well as our clients and subcontractors. We are also working with clients to explore their requirements and use cases for the digital twin. As it relates to our supply chain, our priorities include enabling real-time, effective collaboration and supporting risk management. In addition to using the Compass pre-qualification platform across all our construction projects, we also collect subcontractor performance data through our project management platform. We have started to use this data to understand concentration and correlation risk, financial risk, and performance inconsistencies across our projects. I really feel that this is just the beginning. Overall, our tech and data strategy is aligned with our business strategy. Equally as important, our priorities are closely tied to the requirements of the construction operation, and we are focused on areas that the operation needs to evolve in. This focus not only allows us to develop internal solutions, but also work with our technology partners more effectively and pragmatically. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to connecting with people in the expo, and happy to answer any follow-up questions later. Have a great evening. Back to you, Christina.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rosemarie. Everybody, now it's time to visit our featured startups at their expo booths and connect with other attendees in the networking section. But first, please stay tuned for a short tutorial on how to navigate and make the most out of your Hopin platform experience.